Hey guys, what is going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to load and use a tape gun. First off, the tape gun I'm using is on Amazon. I'll throw a link down the description box below this video of where you can get yourself one. It's a very good one and it's very cheap. It was only I think it was like 10 bucks for 3 of them or something, and it came with tape. Anyways, let's have a quick look at it. There's tape on this. There's a back spinning wheel. That's where you're going to hold your tape. There's a little nozzle on it, a little twisty thing like just there. And when you turn that, it will just make your tape like tighter or looser. And anyways, you're definitely going to need tape for this to use one of these. You can use pretty much any tape. You can use masking tape, duct tape, doesn't matter whatsoever. Now there's one trick to this. You want to make sure that the sticky side of the tape is pointing away from the tape gun, so down to the bottom. I'll show you exactly what I mean just in a second. So you want to make sure your spinning wheel that is on the gun thing, on the tape gun just there, you want to make sure that is very loose, and so you can slide this on. The looser the easier, and you'll basically just sit it down on the table, push it over it, and it'll slide down on it nice and firmly. Just loosen it up a little bit there, just so it works, goes down a bit easier. There you go, just like that. Now once it's on, you tighten it up. The tighter you have it, the tighter it will pull, like when you were taking it out, and the looser you have it, the more leeway your tape will have when taping something. So I like to keep that pretty tight just so you think it's nice and tidy. You don't have tape flying around everywhere. And now see how I have it sitting right there. I've tightened it up right now, but I have it sitting so it sits on that rubber thing just under the cutters, and that's how you want it because it's very easy to use. You can just run it across boxes, whatever your paper, whatever you need to run it across to do up. But you just want to have it just like that, as you can see, so that the sticky side is pointing away from the gun on the outside. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to actually use this, or it in action, should I say. I'm just going to grab a little box here. Now this is just something that I'm shipping off to eBay. So you just want to hold your box nice and closely. And now because the tape gun is tight, nice and tight, the tape's on that good, when I slide it across, it will have a bit of pull. You need to use a bit of muscle. So the tighter you have it, the more control you have of it. And so it'll pull the box closer together and it'll just leave a lot better tape. Like won't have air bubbles in it and all that shit. As you can see, it sticks it down for you when you're just running across, like the tape gun across it. Now this is what they really come in handy for, running them across boxes like this, straight across the top, and they'll give it a nice perfect tape across there. Now this is a lot easier than using just your hands and cutting off the tape, and it will give it a lot better tape, because when you're pulling it, it's actually tightening it up, making the whole box one thing. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, helps out the channel a lot.